Sanibonani, igama lami nguSihle Wangubeni. We are back with yet another episode ye Beneath the Truth. Njengenjwayelo mphakathi, namhlanje ngihamba nendoda emfishane eyande ngeqiniso layo, uDivision, indoda egijinyiswa amaphoyisa ebusuku bayigijimise eliqiniso. So namhlanje sizokhuluma ngendaba ebucayi kakhulu, which is LEDF. So uzos-explainela uDivision ukuthi LEDF yini. But ngaphambi kwaloko besicela ukuthi ni like and subscribe, ni share ama video wethu. So Division, before you even start, wabantu abangakwazi, just introduce yourself emakhaya.
Sanibonani. Igama lami nguSiyabonga wakaNcethani. Ebambiza uShort Division, i-nickname leyo wena mngani wami Sihle. So I'm an activist. Just like I've said in the previous episode, in fact, my issue it is with securing the local economy for locals to benefit, not which economy as it saying ama politicians, just like it is being done.
Okay, since we're talking about the economy, I want you to break it down to umhlali lekhaya onga understand, because there's this misinformation or misinterpretation when it comes to igama elithi LEDF. When you speak of LEDF, most community members, they think of abantu bamathenda, they think of abosoma business. So for umuntu onga understand kahle kahle ekhaya, what is the LEDF?
Ngiyabonga for lo mbuzo loyo Sihle ne edipalising kwaziwa ukuthi LEDF eyamathenda premiers, of which lento leyo iyenzwe yilokusetshenziswa kwe-LEDF ngendlela wrong. By right i-LEDF, it is the Local Economic Development Forum. Ekuyi-forum elonjwa uCokta Sihle asebenzisana nomasipala in order for ukuthi kahle kube nabantu from different stakeholders. For example, kunabantu ebabhizi ngama-NPO, ama-NPC, ama-NGO. They need to benefit in the local economy, so they need to be represented in the Local Economic Development Forum. Sibuye ngabantu aba-unemployed. The unemployed community must also be represented ukuze treatment in all the stakeholders ukuthi zikhona around, kwazi ukuthi kahlese kama issues ukuthi abantu basedipaliseni bakwazi ukuthi ba benefit. Sibe no women in business. Women in business, it needs to be represented. The women that are in business, they need to be having someone ozokwazi ukuthi articulate ama issues wabo ukuthi kahle alright thina singabomama ebusinessini, these are the things ukuthi sistruggle ngazo and thina asibukeleleki ngendlela eso sindlule size ku youth in business. Masiza ku youth in business ikhuluma ngama issues youth ukuthi manje are in business. Sine art and culture, sine media, ngingasazi explain kakhulu wena Sihle. Sine media, we are also having into education, of which education, portfolio education, it is a portfolio which it has been neglected for years. Lied policing asazi ukuthi treatment education kwenzakalani. That's why we fought ukuthi nalo alibe khona ku LEDF because ukuthi treatment nama issues of education sinto so articulate. Mara nje in a nutshell wena Sihle, yonke into enokwenza nokuthi si benefit kuma companies ekungukuthi akhona edipolicing, chuthi any kind of benefit, it can be through amantu ama corporate social investment, it can be through amantu ama SMMEs nama business ekungukuthi manje sewakhulile sewakuma level aphezulu. It goes to indaba zento zezikolo, indaba zama programs ekungukuthi manje they seek to uplift the youth. Just like ama programs asiza abantwana ezikolweni, sibuye just like ama programs ekungukuthi manje ukwenza sure ukuthi i-youth idlalela ekudeni nama drugs izokwazi ukuthi manje ihlale iwoke ibheke yonke into, because kahle wena Sihle, if ever thina singazithatheli indaba yokuthi silungise le LDF ukuthi serve its correct purpose. Then thina yithi sizosafara njengoba sisafara. Even the generations that are coming now, they are still going to suffer because we won't be able to secure economy yasedipaliseni. Buza abantu bazothenderisha la edipaliseni not knowing bangene kanjani. So but thina makumele kube aba locals athenderishayo wala ekunguthi in business, it becomes a problem kuya ngokuthi who are you in line with or aligned with. Angazo ngithola political, but mangabe wena politically abazwani nawe njengami nje njengoba ngizikhulumela kakhulu hey plus vele mina abangifuni ke futhi uba senkingeni efana nokuthi kugcina wena sihle sungasatshelwa whenever the meetings nama stakeholders.
Okay, ibambe lapho. I think you going somewhere.
Okay.
Njoba ungasafuna. I mean, we've seen you boy i-chairperson ye-unemployment not so long ago. What happened? Because manje angisakubona uhamba nama-chairperson, njoba uhamba nama-chairperson. You used to update us mawaya kuma meetings, but now we're no longer getting ama updates. What is happening?
Yeah, nalapho futhi ubona yabona ngiyithanda kakhulu leyo question leyo. Into ukuthi yayenzakala sihle I will be transparent just like amalegile wena sihle. Futhi into yenzakalayo I was co-opted in the LDF. I-LDF kahle i-constitute ngendlela wrong. Kahle it has been appointed ayi-electwanga ama-stakeholder ekunguthi manje kumele ayi-elect. For example, when was it? Last year, we had an elite summit ekunguthi it took 2 days. The first day beku-ilanga lama-commission whereby kushuthi manje besikhanda a document ekunguthi lizosetshenziswa abantu abazo-electwa the following day as a program of action or as a guideline. Uyangithola wena sihle. So now into yenzakele lapho the following day after the first day should manje libe nandi kakhulu futhi laba productive nama commission they went very well yabo, but the following day masekumele ku-elect inkinga iqala makuthiwa masicala silwisa i-portfolio education. Okay, sisokolisana won't dwell much on it ne because we ended up siba nalo portfolio education lapho umuntu ku-LDF. Then masihamba siya phambili when sekumele manje kube isikhathi sama elections. We live in a democratic country. Whenever we have to elect abantu ekunguthi bayasileader, it has to be abantu ekunguthi thina siyabazi on the ground and siyazi ukuthi the leadership skills ekunguthi manje banawo, they can take us somewhere. Not ukuthi kushuthi manje wena ngoba u-executive mayor ubeke abangani bakho who will serve your interest. That's why I have been fighting njalo wena sihle ngale LDF before I was co-opted as chairperson of unemployment. Ngizoba clear ukuthi when I was co-opted because the unemployed community including myself futhi manje yithi besiloko silwisa le ndaba yokuthi this LDF we do not recognize it. Le LDF lena sivotela, but here we saw a loophole ukuthi mabahamba bayohlala nama stakeholder we don't get an opportunity ukuthi se address ama issues with employment. That's why we said no but as co-opt let us allow it singene kunto ku unemployment because bekunganamuntu kunguthi ukhona ku unemployment na ku education singene kuyo. It was an arrangement kahle yayenziwa le. That's okay masihambisana sengiqala ukubona mina ukuthi no man this LDF shuthi kukhona abantu ekunguthi manje they call shots. Some of them are my chairpersons khona lapho just like u-chairperson we-women in business usesibathabile each and every information siyizwa ngayo. Ayikho information yena ngayazi ene uyofonelayo
kahle kusho ubhuku i-chairperson ye-LED yonke.
Yes and then sibuye futhi bayithimba nje bayithimba umsebenzi khanyile labana mentioned last time kube kube unto uzakhele unto fire kubuye kube ubani let me just not mention all of the names, ne? But
askisi kancane njengoba umention amagama ne, there's ngicela ukubamba nje kancane.
Okay.
I've seen uPrince in the picture all the time. What is the role ka Prince in the LEDF? Because uPrince is not part of amaChapesi.
Mhlambe ngigijime kakhulu wena sihle yabo. Mhlambe ngigijime kakhulu. I needed to explain ukuthi on the day ama elections we ended up treating manje i-summit i-collapse without us electing abantu ukuthi manje siyabafuna. We were told ukuthi siphumele ngaphandle sikwazi ukuthi sikhokase ukuthi okay fine sizoyenza kanjani masibuya. Saphuma sakhanda ama slates yahlala phansi masibuya kune slate esithathwayo kuthiwa no thina sithe maniphumani nozwana nikhethane ngaphandle bese nibuye nisibuyela ne-list. The list ukuthi seyathathwa, it is the list ukuthi asazi ukuthi ubani oyikhandile and based on which grounds kanjalo. The delegate we-Cocta wagcina sekasuswa ku-podium ukuthi angafacilitate lama elections into khona ku-endorse the list ekungukuthi kuthiwa no sithatha le kunama list ayi-2 abuya ngaphandle from two different groups.
So azange sathathelwe ekhanda.
Enye ayizange ithathelwe ekhanda kwathathelwa le one ekhanda. People were appointed. That's why besiloko siyilwisa le LEDF ukuthi ayikho constituted properly. We wanted ukuthi ama issues of unemployment because ama issues ekungukuthi affect on a daily basis. Lapho siloko siyilwa sikhona ukuthi manje senze siwa address. It came to a point which since unemployed community sesi-co-opted, now it came to a push ukuthi abosoma business kube yibo abagijimisa ukuthi this LEDF iyenzeni, it needs to be constituted properly. And so kuno executive mayor omusha, lo executive mayor wa appointed this LEDF uthole promotion wahamba wayale ku district MEC uyani we social development Miss Muyeketi ekuwukuthi lo Prince lo obuza ngaye wena sengeza ngiyakuphendula manje. uPrince lo obuza ngaye othi uhlala umbona masihamba ama meeting we-LEDF. uPrince ekungukuthi uyindoda yaka former executive mayor ekungukuthi seka u-MEC uMiss Muyeketi. So ukuthi yena ungena kanjani I do not understand because even nangalelo langa bekangekho nasema listing lawa walabantu ba-appointiwe. There is another guy ekungukuthi bathi uSipho Mlangeni. uSipho Mlangeni he is also not a chairperson but uhlala umthola whenever kuyiwa kuma meetings we-LEDF. Some of the meetings akangeni, some uyangena ahlale nama stakeholder we address some issues. Shuthi LEDF manje it is now more like a construction mafia instead of being the structure that it needs to be so secure economy for our locals sikwazi ukuthi sibenefiteni sigrowe yebo kanjalo.
So what is your theory when it comes to Ulono Prince right now? Because mina when the new mayor was being appointed benginale hope yokuthi okay izinto zizoshintsha manje, but it seems as if nothing has changed. Like in fact things just got worse when it comes to the issue LEDF. What do you think could be the reason behind that?
Mina according to my view the new executive mayor ekubusi Khanye ne bokumele makangena yena as executive mayor a constitute i-LEDF ekungukuthi uyazi ukuthi buyaphi, not ukuthi aspoon feedwe le LEDF ekungukuthi akazi nokuthi constitute kanjani, ekungukuthi nenkinga she knows herself ukuthi kahle le LEDF ayifuna walokishini. Angeke ngize ngifihle lokho ayifunwa ama community members ukuthi manje wabona ukuthi constitute kanjani. So now the mandate ukuthi beyenza ukuthi u-executive mayor former executive mayor aze athathe intambo ku-delegate be-Cocta kube uye uzifacilitate-layo the process ye-LEDF. It is true to the fact ukuthi kushuthi kukhona izinto ebafuna ukuzigijimisa and now it clearly shows ukuthi vele isesenjalo naye u-endorser wena Sihle the same thing ekungukuthi manje be-endorswa ubani u-former executive mayor cause angeke ngazohamba nendoda ya-former executive mayor kuma-meetings we-LDF kungukuthi kahle indoda ya-former executive mayor akusu-chairperson. Even these people abantu ekungukuthi manje we do not know them. There are certain portfolios are just like the portfolio of security. The summit exam kakhulu portfolio security.
Who's the chairperson here security?
I forgot the name of the guy, but the security company ekuliwe.
Themba Mashinini.
Yes. So we are going to mind chairperson went wama security. But lewe it's just a matter of which ama security wakhala ngokuthi ama issues wabo wama security aba addresseki yibo bayocela bacela ukuthi kube ne portfolio lama security even though besingakhulumanga ngalo kunto ku summit.
But now electwa kwakho uThemba, was it like democratic? Electwa you ama community members, how was he elected into the LDF?
He was not elected, he was appointed. He was not elected, he was appointed. Kahle it's people ekungukuthi manje baya understand and business right ekungukuthi manje bona bayazwana because in the same LDF there are people who are being sidelined. It's not just myself. I can know the art and culture ekunjuice abambize ma-meeting echairperson we-youth in business ekusiyabonga Buthelezi abambizi kuma-meeting we-LDF even nalesikhathi mina bebangibiza echairperson we-manufacturing which is uSibusiso abambizi kuma-meeting kushuthi ama-meeting ahlalwa abantu ekungukuthi manje mhlambe bazozama ukukhuluma the same language nabo okanye bazama ukubasondeza eduze angi-understand because mhlambe mina-ke sengisayidlana ngendaba yokuthi ngizithandele iqiniso into mayi-wrong and you cannot say i-right because manje we are frustrated ngendaba zabo Eskom nani mara kune-LDF ekungukuthi kumele ngabe ilungisa all those issues because kuney'ndaba zama-police clearance ekungukuthi ziyenziwa ngey'mali zabantu abangasebenzi. You cannot be told to go and make a police clearance before you get employed. Uyithatha phi imali yokwenza police clearance ungasebenzi?
Okay, division. So right now njengoba uthi i-elective i-LDF sinabantu who are not elected by a community. There's projects that are going on. Sine project ye-5, sinama projects lawa se-Holdflay lawa we green energy that are happening. Kule ye-5, since these people were elected not democratically, so bangenile, how are they treating community currently?
Sihlengana ngigijimiswa ngePi ngigijimiswa uchairperson we-construction ku-LDF ezakhele Shabalala kwaziwa ngegama elithi Ndofana. Wayangigijimisa ngePi. I formed a part and parcel of a march for me to be sidelined, which mina ngaba i-party march being delegated by the PAC since me member ye-PAC. But now since sokuyindaba enjalo kune project ye-5 efika election we-chairperson we-unemployment. The unemployment forums ezakima yakhala aba-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaleyo project leyo. We go there, we try ukuthi si-engage into management yakhona, isinikeza i-meeting, siyaxoxa kamnandi and siyavumelana ukuthi sizorecruiteka kanjani siyama-resident waselibhaliseni. The following week ngelanga lokuthi kumele manje kuphuma ama-request to say sifuna abantu abangaka bazongena basebenzela. It's what I manje sekufika i-project manager yakhona igama lapha angilazi, makazi-introduce wathi uThombo. Makafika laphayana eBafolini ku-unemployed community, ufika uthi akazi bazochasha ngakhe, akazi bazochasha nini, sizawuzwa ngabo ukuthi sebayachasha. Okay, ngiyenzeni mina ngithi no, it can't be ukuthi nina nizochubeka nisebenze sibe singazi ukuthi nisebenza ngabo bani, because kunabantu ukuthi manje they are not locals ukuthi basebenza lapho, others banama skills mabasho asikaze sakubona lokho thina.
But iskill ezinjani, because uma kufaka ifiber kugujwa nje, so udinga iskill ukugubha ipeki.
Angithi kukhona lama trucker lawa ekungukuthi manje ngathi nama crane lawa faka lama palo lawa kanjalo. I think bakhuluma ngama skills, bakhuluma ngalawo kunama skills wokudrilla ngaphansi kwestrata, futhi manje mangabe mhlambe they are crossing a street ngathi le fiber le bazoyihambisa ngaphansi kwestrata, they don't even want to tell us the scope of work sale fiber ukuthi sime kanjani. They don't want to tell us the budget yale fiber ukuthi budget kangakanani. The only thing ekungukuthi yenzakala thina when you are going there, sithi siyo verifier ukuthi the people who are working there are they really locals na, because kwakuwo lama trucker lawo akusumsebenzi ukuthi angeke uzoyenza ama locals.
Ama locals yes. 14.
Yes, but now i-issue la iqala khona thina masizofika si question lapho ukuthi okay what is happening, because labantu abana ne office la idipaliseng abana aba establishing site ubona nje kuyagujwa uma ubafuna wazi uzobathola phi. That's why we had to ukuthi siyo verify lapho sibone ukuthi okay are they really locals na, sithola kunama locals next kulama trucker lawo.
How many employees were there?
It was 4 people ekungukuthi manje basebenza truck ene-1, I think lama trucker i3 if I'm not mistaken. So each truck in a 4 people. Which that's 12 people ekungukuthi kahle bebangakhona ukuthi at least babeke isinto etafuleni. But masifika lapho ke the Tombo guy ufonela uchairperson of construction, because uchairperson of construction uyo appointed as a subcontractor lapho kuleyo fiber ukuthi kanjani asazi because the management yaleyo company leyo efaka fiber it said it clearly ukuthi kahle bona uchairperson of construction ukuthi bam subcontract, they got the information ukuthi they got the name yokuthi na company kumele ni appoint from MMC we infrastructure ekuyimiya. So it shows ukuthi kahle into by orchestrated and into qala.
So the processes were not fair nokuthi bam appoint.
Yes, the processes were not fair. They did not advertise the RFQ and it's not the first time. Naku project yokufaka indlela eMpophoma bekumele kungena ama subcontractor i3 kuleyo building namantu nama-caps. But what happened, kwagcina seku appoint ke uchairperson of construction kuphela kwaba huyo kungukuthi le ama-cap lapho until amanye ama SMEs abakwazi ukuthi abhekelele. That is why we are having indaba yokuthi kahle this LDF, it is now being operated as a ngizochini konje yini uchi mafia watu at construction mafias. Yes, because you cannot say bengadlali mangithi ngijimiswe ngepoint. Let me clarify that. Masifika lapho sicela labantu labo ukuthi no sicela ukuthi bami kancanyana ngomsebenzi nathi nje sikwazi ukuthi sithole abelungu babo bakwazi ukusiclarify ukuthi kuyenzakalani. Ngoba mina CLO lapho ukuthi singalayeza nayo ukuze singa communicate directly with the company. But they said they don't need a CLO when we asked them in that meeting. Even safety, it is not adhered to lapho abantu basebenza ngama all star basebenza ngama pay. Into yenzakele masteta khambisa lapho sesifika kulabo abagubhayo those ones are locals. Siyacela makhotman man kunama issues esinawo employment. Kumele i-main contract isichashe but manje seyisitshele into esingayi-understand besacela nejemiseni kancanyana until se-resolve lama issues lawa yabo. Asizi ngendlela e-wrong. We are just pleading with you njengabafowethu ekungukuthi manje yabo sisafara sonke la elokishini ngayo yonke le ndaba sithi simkhiphe emsebenzini. Chairperson of construction nangoseka la. Hey, ningayekela ukusebenza ngifuna ukubona netshelo nozonithinta engasithinti umuntu. We are pleading with them, siyabacela njengamahlotman wethu. Into egcina yenzakala mina ngikhipha ifone, I'm reporting the matter egroupini ku-LTF, the border LTF. Voice note yena bona ngathi ngimshaya ivideo eze kimi agijima ngangibambe kanje angishaye inqindi la aloku angibambe kanjena ubambe ijacket ungishaya ngenqindi. I think it was 4 times or 5 times angikhumbuli kukayilakho because it was something like this. Okay, abafuli fast sebala asihlukanise abahlukanisa ngigcine ngihlale lapha. That's whereby uSipho Mlangeni of which yilo engithi uhlala ezo attend ama meetings we LDF ashaye one of abafuli ngempama ekukhaya. Makashaya ukhaya ngempama uthi umshayeli ukuthi ukhuluma kakhulu. At the very same time ipeki leli undofaya alithathe kulabasebenzi bekathi ukabhami alithathe kulabasebenzi makalithatha ngibaleke ngiyele nyamtshela into mina ngimncane uzongithuza fana ngithi ngiyazibona nawe ukuthi ungakanani. So kukhona uchairperson weduo ekungozo uzakhele ngozo naye uyiskora vele ke amasize engathi yabo cisha yalingana alibambele ibheki leli azama ukulihlutha la ezandleni agcina khona ukulihlutha makakhona ukulihlutha. It's whereby uzakhele athatha umqala yabona insimbi lena yokuguma athatha umqala ashaya ukhaya lo oshawe
ulona ngempama.
Yes, uSipho Mlangeni ngempama naye uzakhele amshaye ngayo la enyaweni mangamshaya la enyaweni ngayo. That's why ngitshela ukhaya ngithi no asambe ekhaya siye police station because shithi manje my life has been threatened. Hambane police station ngizonilanda emakini mina vele nga 1 by 1. We went to the police station, opened the case. Mara since masifika sizovula case it took approximately 4 hours for them to open a case for us.
Bendoken triyiso
Masifika sifika reception kuthiwa no kumele bayomlanda acala lo muntu loyo bazombuza bazozwa site lakhe le story before bangambopha. But thina sesi assaultiwe sathreatenishwa ukuthi sola ngemakhaya ngagijimiswa with a sharp weapon ukhaya washawa ngensimbi nangempama. It's something serious like ukuthi amaphoyisa they need to take it into consideration because it is life threatening. But masifika sibona sihle kancanyana masifika reception siyahamba siyomfuna. Okay, only to find out ukuthi ukhona la police station mase simfonela masibuye la police station siyathathwa sisofisi la station command. Station command ufuna ukunderstand kwenzakalani uyabuza kwenzakalani uzakhela uyam-explainela maqeda kum-explainela mina ngiyamtshela ukuthi angazi mina bangilethele ofisini lakhe because kahle mina ngize police station ngizovula icase lokuthi ngi-assaultiwe. So la yes I don't think ukuthi manje amaphoyisa yiwe kumele manje prove ukuthi u-guilty or akekho guilty na. But if ever ngithi mina ngi-assaulted mangabe ngimqambela amanga kunama processes ukuthi angawafollowa ukuthi angisuke. Yes, there are a lot of witnesses. Khona ama-witness wangale enkanini ne kunama witnesses ekungukuthi wabafuli more than 20 people ekungukuthi ba ama-witness wayo yonke lento leyo mayiyenzakala.
But Division, tell me something. I mean the person okhuluma ngayo right now uzakhele uNdofaya, he has a lot of cases zama assault. There's one case lega Dudu ye GBV.
Yes.
In a country where we are facing a pandemic ye GBV.
Yes.
We have someone who was assault abafazi. We have someone who assault uSpedai was wamgwazisa
in a community
meeting where there's a lot of like witnesses.
Yes.
Now assault wena. What do you think, like yini reason eyenza ukuthi uNdofaya angakwazi ukuthi abopheke? Cause there's no way ukuthi umuntu kahle angazi ukuthi ngingambiza ngani lo muntu assault abantu abaningi la elokishini, but whereas like alikho icala kuthiwa uyakhona ukuboshwa kulangena.
Maybe Chichi manje unama connection angeke sazi yabo, but even our case it shows the way it is being treated ukuthi kahle abafuni ukulubona liya court because obviously if ever sokuzoza another case assault kungukuthi unama case ayi2 assault ekungukuthi uyawahamba, then it means ukuthi le case lo straight lizoba yinkinga, which is why ba try
bangafuni ukuvula.
Yabona mangikushaya ngempama mina manje wahamba epolice ngokushaya ngempama wahamba epolice station shuthi mina ngizobona ngawe sowubuya usikiphiko shuthi ngizolandwa ngiyachajwa ngiyovela ecourt ukuze ngi-explain my side of the story in front of the magistrate.
That's how the law
represented works. Yes, but now team into yenzakele kuthathwe i-statement sami. After a couple of days kwabuya kwathatha i-statement sakhaya, even the case bavule i-case eli-one and it's two different people ekungukuthi manje sibavulela ama-case at the very same time si-assaultwe siyi-two in different ways and manje mina in my case I can say it is a common assault i-case lami but in the case yakakhaya i-GBH and you cannot mix i-GBH ne-common assault but when ngibabuza bathe no umuntu ekungukuthi uzolungisa lawo ma-case lelo mangabe vele leli lakhaya kumele libe i-GBH umuntu ozolungisa uprosecutor mangabe leli elami kumele kube into a-common assault uzoyilungisa but bona bavula i-case le-common assault. Even now ngilo ngizitholela ama-message nje kuphela ukuthi okay they are still busy with ama-investigations. The case has been taken to the prosecutor. The prosecutor will decide whether the case should go to court or not. That is the thing ekungukuthi manje sime ngayo silindile to show ukuthi kune influence ekhona politically, yes, as always, because namhlanje la ngikhuluma nawe beka appear ngecase la kaNkosana Mngomezulu le community member ewal assaulta into ku community meeting beka attend namhlanje lelo case lelo thina elethu kushuthi thina kumele aze asibulale ke azasihlabe ngalama bheki before bazombopha because lo muntu lo even ama community members they are afraid. They took amantu ama form woke apply ama court order. Why bayenza njalo? Because uba threatenishile uthi yena uzobalanda one by one, nami included, uthi uyasazi sonke la hlala khona. So you cannot treat that case as a case ekungukuthi manje no kumele kutrial. It's not a normal case, but ke sizothi thina masikhuluma kube ngathi we are trying ukuthi si influence umthetho ukuthi ube kanjani. But we are not influencing, it's just making the community be aware ukuthi the same LDF ekungukuthi ingene ngendlela engekho right i-operator kanjani. You cannot manhandle shuthi manje i-community efuna umsebenzi while being an employer. Kahle kahle you should be able to engage those people, and the subcontractor himself akakazi walwisa nga anything. Yena abantu abaqashile abantu balocal, the only thing besikhala ngayo nje ukuthi yena uqashe kuphi, uqashe ngeweekend enakachashanga emfolweni, so leyo sayilungisa futhi yaba right. But ukuthi bese kalwelana into besinga understand masimbuzo uthi yena labantu be5 beze naye uyobalandile i-project yakhe lena yakasisa contractor yena like nje khulunye into eyiningi. So
you know what I'm thinking?
Yeah.
Mina, my theory, all this project division, it cannot be that you're getting a project but awukwazi nokuzithengela i-venue umsebenzi yokuthi ukwazi ukusebenza. Someone is being used as the face yama-politician. The real owners walama project, it's people abalapha kamasipala. The guy is just being used as the face yawo wonke ama project. He's not the person behind wonke lama project. And like as much as bamfake site inayosebenza, he doesn't get much money. Yeah. According to me, this is my theory.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think this guy actually we're on the forefront on all these projects.
Bona lewe nasihle ngana ngingathatha ukuyishia nawe nje isabe theory yakho yabo nginga comment because away comment into ukuthi angina information ngayo. I don't have clear records ukuthi should manje okay wenza malini kanjani yabo, but le angeke ngize ngifakaze kakhulu. But into nje engizoyisho mina, it can't be ukuthi mangiba uchairperson we-unemployment, ngiba uchairperson wokuthi njalo makuvela ama-job opportunities kumele
you're the one who's getting employed.
Mina I should come last. I need to understand ukuthi there are people ekungukuthi ba behind my portfolio who also need to benefit, who are not benefiting. Mawuzothi wena ku benefit wena uyi-one, what is it that you are saying? Because mine into yenzakalayo shuthi sesirolwa kwi-community yethu ngesandla sensimbi. And when we fight kusetshenziswa amaphoyisa ukuthi kushuthi manje ku-instille ifear kithi. Why am I saying that? Ayiphelelanga indaba yethu ye-case ku-station commander. Mayisuka ku-station commander, u-station commander ufonela u-detective uthi u-detective azomamela ama-statement. Mase banginikeza opportunity ukuthi ngilivule lelo case wena Sihle. I was referred to Sergeant Simelane by u-detective lo bekazomamela i-statement ukuthi sime kanjani. Fike lapho I was given an attitude, but ke ngoba ngikhuluma kakhulu ngicine vele ngimtshela ukuthi no, angeke sisebenze ngale attitude. Kuzathi mase ka right bese uyastart i-statement ke ngizamlinda akayehlisa ama emotions. That's what I gonna start a statement, but uthatha sami not esa ngakhaya lo oshawe ngempama washawa ngomqala enyaweni. Makathathe sami athi uzosithatha sakhaya, asithathe sakhaya. After a couple of days bamsendele a message to say no, as a police station bazothatha i-statement. But lo muntu lo ekungukuthi manje uyastraightisha usigijimisa with sharp weapons. Mangizokugijimisa ngebheki Sihle, you do not know ukuthi kahle kahle mangithola ngizoyenzani. Kube nje yabona bengingasilezi vele zama-athlete from ngikhula vele ngabe vele lento engibambe ngabe sithula amagugu yabo. So whenever we are reporting such incidents kunto kwi-SAPS kumele kube i-US protector. I protect thina, but the protector the people ekungukuthi manje sileya ama-complain ngabo ukuthi i-dry lo muntu ku-dry-lani because ngikaze kahle wena Sihle ukuthi mangokushanga impama mina kushuthi angeke baloko balanda umlando bangalanda khona namhlanje. Indaba yami yokuthi mina side lang le story ngilikhuluma court. That's how other cases are being treated, but this one it's being treated with some kind of speciality in it. Esingazi ukuthi speciality esibuya kuphi or kanjani.
The people that you are dealing with iqashalala zama politicians, so ama cases anjalo they will always be treated special, of which angisho yazi ukuthi maungasondelanga with certain politicians awu benefit kulo mphakathi wethu. So na kuma cases if awusondelanga nama certain politicians, then you're not gonna be taken serious.
True wena Sihle. Ama politicians, sorry about that, ama politicians, they've involved themselves to such a point yokuthi ayikho into ebangafuni kuyi-influence, and the community is fed up. They can see nethi nje sebasebenzisa inkani yokuthi they are in power kuzoyenzakala intando yabo, and ababuzanga elangeni because unemployment shuthi siyama forum we-unemployment sidecidile ukuthi kahle we are going to attack each and every stakeholder. Sisitshela ukuthi they take a mandate ukuthi bangakhulumi nathi kumasipala, then it means ukuthi kahle kuzomela nawo banga-operate emhlabeni wethu, because it can't be ukuthi ba-operate emhlabeni wethu maceda lapho thina singabenefiti ku-benefit certain individuals ekupushwa certain agendas ngabo. That one will not allow, because at the end of the day wena Sihle, we are prepared to serve, to suffer and sacrifice for the cause. Our main issue, it is an issue of securing the economy. Even employment, or recruitment, it needs to be channeled in a certain way. Be right all along. But emotionally was still ngokuthi LDF le bangayisebenzisi ngendlela right, but bayisebenzisa ngendlela ekungukuthi zenza i-community ingakwazi ukufinyelela kuma stakeholders ekungukuthi aphethe ama employment opportunities.
Ngicabanga ukuthi sivale lapho division, because there's a lot of issues that we still need to discuss. I think we'll cover them on our next episode. So siyacela mphakathi, continue watching this channel, continue liking and subscribing. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.